Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today we're going to learn how to insert an image into Writer. First, select where in the document you want your image to go. Then, come up to Insert, Picture, and select a file that you've saved to your computer. Now, the image is in your document. To format the image and the text in your document, come up here to Page Layout, Wrap Text, and you can play around with the different settings. You can also resize your image by dragging it like so.